The gist of the paper, basically, we would like to um, look at the front of what is a developing methodology, if not um, way of doing things in terms of rapid prototyping, responding to emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic, and harnessing the tools we have in additive manufacturing and advanced materials in order to address those needs. And so what we have done with the paper is to lay down the basics for additive manufacturing, address what is medically or biomedically relevant with the pandemic, the examples of what people have done, both from the engineering and even on the medical side, and what can be a promising way that both uh, a good knowledge of additive manufacturing and materials can be used to address even future pandemics or even a second wave of COVID-19.